We begin with this terribly sad story. A young mother and father appearing before a judge accused of killing their infant daughter.
Just heartbreaking. The arraignment was held within the last hour. News 8's Kelly Hessedal is live at the Central Courthouse downtown with what happened in what I'm sure was an emotional courtroom today. Kelly?
Yeah, you know, this case is incredibly disturbing. As a parent, it's hard to even imagine that this happened. The two defendants did appear in court today. We do have some video of them appearing via video monitor in the courtroom. We're talking about a very short hearing, a 5-minute hearing. The defendants, 22-year-old Elizabeth Uckman and 21-year-old Brandon Copeland, entered not guilty pleas for the murder of their 3-month-old daughter, Delilah. So both appeared with public defenders. Again, the hearing was very short. We do have some photos of the baby, Delilah, to share with you. These are new photos taken in August when she was just a month old. Now, according to the baby's great-grandmother, she was taken away from her parents right after she was born and went to live with her great-aunt because her parents' apartment in City Heights was filthy. The great-grandmother says relatives begged social services not to return Delilah to her parents, but it happened anyway. The couple had custody of Delilah for just 6 weeks. November 9th, police were called to their home. They found a baby unresponsive, and she was pronounced dead at the hospital.
Both of them are guilty. This is not one person. Both of them are guilty. I mean, I know that my granddaughter was dangerous. I knew this. I told social services.
And that was Delilah's great-grandmother, Adrienne Arnett, who told us Uckman has a history of violence, that she was apparently violent toward animals, that she was apparently violent toward her brother, who has special needs. Both she and Copeland are being held without bail, and a hearing on bail is set for next month. Heather and Carlo.
Kelly, and we're hearing the emotion behind that grandmother's voice there, too. And it really begs the question, where is CPS in all of this? Were they ever called? And why was that baby ever given back to those parents with accusations like this against them?
Yeah, the great-grandmother didn't hold back. She called the couple monsters. She said it's unbelievable that they even had a child. Now, I did contact CPS. The case remains under investigation, so no one from CPS could comment. But absolutely, relatives of that little girl are absolutely furious. They say CPS told them that they would check in on this baby 3 times a week. They say, how could this possibly have happened? Because if somebody was checking in on this child, how could the baby have been murdered?
Incredibly heartbreaking that something couldn't have been done to stop this. Kelly Hessedal reporting live. Thanks, Kelly.